right in that spot, though. Just lift it up and hold it in that spot.
Alright, I'm gonna go across there now and bring it in
we're just gonna go hover for like 2 minutes to get the picture.
Yeah.
Oh, to get the okay.
Yeah. Whoa.
Just straighten out my boots. That's what I'm just straightening it out.
Timer set.
Well, let me just get the
Ready, guys?
let me just get the pilots. Yeah. All right. All right, pilots. The hovering technique here.
They all sound the same too.
Don't leave the ground yet. Do not leave the ground. We'll all leave the ground at the same time. Who wants to count from each side? 1, 2, 3. Turn to the left.
Yeah, I got this.
I can't help it, mine is just, it keeps going. Alright, I'll catch up to you guys.
How about that? The moonlight there for you. Oh, we got the rest of the moonlight.
Wait, hold on, guys. Wait a second, I'm
That
checking
moving
mine.
shot. Look at that.
Oh yeah, the moonlight. Wait, I got that.
Get that there. Look at that.
Got it. Oh, you crisscross right over the moon.
I can't help it, guys.
Yeah, when you. Yeah, when you.
Alright, guys, we're gonna go upside down, right?
Yeah.
Watch out when you go. See if you guys can hover right next to me, or somebody can hover on top of me.
Oh, on top. Oh.
Be careful though.
Yeah, man. Just don't bounce around.
Power sensitive.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God, that looks awesome.
Alright, let's go back upside down.
Yeah, let me get.
You guys see me, guys? Let's see you go. Yo, you
Hey, you know what?
why aren't you joining me, guys?
You got a rogue pilot here. What are you doing, dude?
I don't know. It's not that hard. I'm trying to remember what it was.
Remember?
Yeah, I have to remember every movement.
You're flying from memory. I mean, I don't even know how you keep in your
Alright,
orientation.
you guys ready? And I love that song. Oh, that was kind of bouncy though.
All right.
Good flying, good